Hey, this will be a video chart on KMAG. Done this one quite a few times and have been having some questions come in on it and wanted to just give the update here going into the weekend. Overall, the chart is starting to make some nice bullish progress. Obviously, the chart had been in quite the bad downtrend here, but the big thing that seems to be happening and hopefully is just starting today, and I say today because we had some nice increase in volume and then had this nice doji candle here, is it seems like we've found bottom. Now, what makes me say it seems like the chart has found bottom? Well, let's just go back and take a look through the history. Basically, ever since this day here, the price has bounced up, but every time it's pulled back, it has put in a lower low. So there's one lower low, then we had this little miniature bounce here, but then when it pulled back again, you can see it had this lower low, bounced up again here, got denied by the 200-day simple moving average, and when it pulled back, again, you can see put in yet another lower. And then during this pull or bounce upwards here, you can see that during the pullback, what seems to have now been a higher low. Now, this is, of course, assuming that the price can hold where it is right now, but given the history, and then given that during this pullback here, it's looking like the price is at a higher low, it seems to me like a bottom has finally been put in. Now, that doesn't mean that it's automatically going to skyrocket back up, but it's better than seeing lower lows put in every time it pulls back. So that leads into the first point about the key level of support on the chart being right here at this previous low, valued at 0.0035. You can see 2 days right in a row bounced right off of 0.0035, and I'm going to make this line big and thick because it is a very important level of support for this very reason. Now, it could come down here and retest it, and that would be fine because then we could possibly be talking about a double bottom pattern where it comes down here and then heads back up. So that's not, if it does come down and test it, not the end of the world or anything like that, because like I said, there's that double bottom potential. But in terms of just starting a new uptrend, a higher low would be better because remember, we have this low here, and if this is the new low right there, when we come to draw our trusty trend line by connecting the lows, we would then be able to draw an uptrend line like that. So 0.0035 carries quite a bit of relevance on the chart. In terms of resistance levels, the first one, a key level, is going to be right here at this previous high where the price got rejected on this bounce up here. This is valued at 0.0072. So 0.0072 is the current level of resistance too. And then after that, you do have these other moving averages, but one step at a time. The important part right now is more so of holding the support, and then we'll worry about breaking through this resistance up here. But the chart is looking much better than what it was when it was going down through here. Hopefully this higher low can hold up, and if it does, that's really gonna start to bode well for the overall chart. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and it is all free. So one more time, this was KMAG, and if you'd like, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart and what you think is going to be happening going forward. One more time, this was KMAG. Thanks for listening.